So Garrett, what's your weapon of choice?
Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gonna do. Hey. Well, if you guessing it's me, you guessed correctly. I just stay with a stallion. You would swear I was an equestrian. I'ma hit her with that pipe, call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens, call us vegetarians. We be on that minor league, but we smoke professionally. I do my job exceptionally, on point like a decimalist. The way I ride on the beat, man, I beat up the street, it's done so effortlessly. Yeah, so this can't sleep on me, there's no inception in this. I'm top chef, you top rum, and I'm top shelf. No last call, tell the bartender what you got left. Pour it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, cause we everywhere and you not there. Ha. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. Yeah. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out. And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. Strange clouds.
Blue jeans, I'm faded, minding my own data, smoking on that strong, that Arnold Schwarzenegger. Essentially, you hot as an igloo. Kick back on that Glock, call that jujitsu. Hello world, I'm with a yellow girl, number 2 pencil. These rappers is washed up, spin cycle, rinse you my all day.